Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
And off we go. Off the Blue Alliance, we see the Mecha Tigers and their alliance partner, Iron Birds, or Cross-Legged Christians, managing to score. Oh, all three robots have actually managed to score a piece of coral into the trough in also. Getting some nice spinning action there from Iron Birds, very fancy. On the Red Alliance side, we also had a piece of coral scored there in also into the trough. Bite Force now looking to clear up some of the algae from that reef. Oh dear. Ziminators have managed to climb up onto a piece of algae and collapsed. That's going to be a problem for their alliance members. Hopefully their robot is all right though. Now we've got some defensive action being played by the Cross-Legged Christians on Ice Java here. Ice Java trying to figure out how to get past them with the additional obstacle of their disabled teammates now. It seems like the Ziminators are still going to be disabled even though they've managed to get off the algae. Cross-Legged Christians providing some heavy defense. Ice Java really trying to get past them to reach the human player station and grab a piece of coral. Meanwhile, Bite Force, accessing the other human player station, have been able to score some pieces of coral onto their reef. We've got some on the middle rungs and the lower rungs for the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance trough is filling up fantastically with coral as the Mecha Tigers and Iron Birds both work diligently to get coral from the human player stations and bring it over to the trough. They're going to run out of space in the trough at this rate. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance side, Bite Force got another piece of coral from their human player station. Ice Java still crossing cross circuits with the Cross-Legged Christians, trying to get past them and put their coral in the human player stations. Ice Java managing to get a piece of coral onto the reef on that middle row for the Red Alliance. On the Blue Alliance side, that trough is filling up very fast. Does look like the Iron Birds have managed to get a piece of coral in their mechanism. Hopefully they can shake that one loose so they're able to grab more and keep scoring. Bite Force gets a piece of coral onto the lower rungs of the Red Alliance. Ice Java reaching up tall, trying to get that piece of coral up onto that top branch, but it just topples over, unfortunately. Bite Force looking like they're trying to place more coral on those lower rungs. They have to work around the disabled teammate Ziminators at the moment. We've got about 20 seconds left and already some robots thinking about parking. We've got Cross-Legged Christians there lined up, ready to go and get parked. Will their alliance members be joining them? It looks like Mecha Tigers are heading over to get parked as well. Meanwhile, Iron Birds may be trying to get one last piece of coral scored in the remaining 7 seconds. Bite Force, though, they're trying to get parked. Ice Java going for a score instead, though. With a score of 60 to 59, that match was on a knife edge. The Red Alliance walks away with 4 ranking points and the Blue Alliance leaves with 1.